let me get in some BTST trades as well as we wind up for the day today. Kunal, what's on your list?
So I'll go with two buy calls. The first one is a buy on IDFC First Bank. Looks attractive for a potential upside of 68. Stop loss could be kept at 60. And the second would be a buy on ITC, expecting that this move which we've seen today for the stock, almost like a 3%, 2.5% move, could see a follow-through up move. 457 as a target. Stop loss at 439.
Right. Naresh, what about your BTST ideas?
So first would be a buy on MGL. The stock has given a short-term breakout. Stop loss at 1360, target price of 1400. Second is a buy on Coal India. Good price action today. Stop loss at 388, target price of 402.
Okay, those are some BTST ideas coming your way. We're going to begin winding up for the day. And it's not been bad, actually, going into the big event tomorrow. It seems like some short covering was definitely in the works. And would be interesting to see whether today also there was a sell figure from FIs or not. Perhaps it would, and DI Quantum as well would be quite high in terms of buying. 279 points higher, that's how we're closing in. As we step into the Feb series, there's been Tata Consumer, which has reacted positively to its numbers, holding in about a 6% is where it's starting shop for the day. BEL as well, a strong uptick coming in after its numbers came by. Almost a 5% move is what you've seen. Trend still a long way to go before it even makes to that 6,000 mark, but it's done not all that bad at all. Today, a solid 4.25% move coming in. 5,700 thereabouts is still where that stock is. Nestle, Coal India, even Titan has done well. Innocent Bank higher by 3.5%. Hero MotoCorp has done very well, and so is the case with Tata Motors and Tata Steel as well, which have held out quite smartly. I want to see what the FMCG basket is doing, not just Tata Consumers, but even the likes of an ITC and Unilever got pulled up along with it. And some of the consumption plays did not look bad at all. Some of the auto plays looked quite okay. Tata Motors saw a bit of a bounce. SBI held out about 1.5%. Reliance was up nearly about 1%. There was M&M, which also looked higher. HDFC Bank, finally towards the fag end of the day, managed to pull it up in the green, about almost 0.5% or so, but still languished for Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, ICICI Bank, Bharti, which was a top laggard on the index today. But then again, only on a relative basis, the dip was less than 1% on Bharti, and Sun Pharma as well, which turned out to be as a laggard today. There was BOB, Divi's Labs, Torrent Pharma, Jindal Steel. These were some of the laggards as well from within the liquid universe. And on the flip side, you did have Kalyan Jewellers, which did see a big rebound today, 12.5% higher after its numbers. Naveen Fluorine, Hudco did very smart, about a 6.5% uptick there as well. There was Cyient, which held out by 7.5%, and IRB Infra as well, which looked good by about 6.5%. So if you were to really drop a trend, it's a typical budget trade that played out today with PSCs making a comeback and big focus on the infrastructure names leading the charts, other than some earnings reactions also. But that's pretty much it in this edition of Closing Trades. We'll see you again tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. with all the market and budget action live.